On the Moodle page, under the course information, you will see this link that says AHA Heart Code BLS. This is the American Heart Association's blended learning delivery method for the basic life support course. Click on the link and it will take you to the American Heart Association Shop CPR store. This online learning module is the course material for HFS 208. $31 is the total cost of the online course. Once you add it to your cart, it'll take you to the checkout. Once you check out from this page, it will send you a link and a code via email. Sometimes that code goes to your junk email if you use your Regis email. I usually advise students to use their personal either Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo accounts because they don't have the same spam filter on it. If you don't see the link come directly to your inbox, as I mentioned before, check your junk email folder. It will usually be found there. The activation code will take you into the Heart Code course itself. You can complete the course all at once, or you can complete it in parts over a period of time. If you need to log back into the course at any time after the first time, you can use the Heart Code module link that's provided here that says this link takes you to the sign-in page. If you click this, it will take you to the actual page to enter the course. You see it here differently for me just because I have different courses added. Once you're done with the course, you'll send me your online course completion certificate. That certificate will be downloaded into the Heart Code BLS completion certificate folder here. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me via email.